guys, welcome to Growing Guitar and Rocking Out on Alex Warren's Passenger. We're gonna look into that soon. First, Growing Guitar 6 strings ago is my new channel, link up here somewhere. You can go and play a full song there and follow with me, chords shown on the screen. From A to Z, you're gonna learn a full song. I need your help there, guys, so go and subscribe to that channel. That's how you help me out in the best way. So thank you for support. Now, Passenger. Let's look into that with K-Palm first. Absolute best scenario for us. We have a couple chords to go over. We're going to start with the verse chords, which is the D and E. So D first, open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have the E, open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have two more chords in the chorus. We're going to play F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You place index finger on the second fret. You push down all strings there as much as you can, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And then we have the A as well, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. Now let's look into the verse play. What you can focus on here is a string pattern of 4 downs. So if you grab the first chord D, you're gonna play it this. That is 1 round. Okay, so okay, so that's how you do it. You can start to play this for 8 string rounds. Okay. We start, I'm going to explain soon, but D8, and then you go to E and play that 8. And so on, okay? So you're going to go back and forth 2 times. So D8, E8, D8, E8. That is the kind of stripped down way of playing it. You can also now go up 1 level in handling and technique and so on, and play like this. Kind of a pause there on the 4th round. Every 4th round you do kind of a different pause there, and what you can do here is to play like this. So instead of playing the 4th round with strumming, you can just go and play open A, the open A string, and have a pause. The length of that pause is as if you would finish that 4th string round. So D, 2, 3, and now A, 4, and D again. You continue up all the way to 8. And again, every 4th time, every 4th round, you're gonna play that A with 1 down and the pause. So that will be in a context with D and E. Then E. And then back again. All right. Hope that makes sense. That's 2 different ways of playing it. Otherwise, it's just D8 and E8 2 times back and forth. That takes us to the chorus. 32 seconds in. How do I drive and so on. What you're gonna play here now is just straight string rounds. You're gonna play F sharp 1 round. E 1 round, D 1 round, and A 1 round. That is the chord progression. You're gonna play that for 6 rounds. So F sharp, E, D, A. Okay, 2 rounds with that. You're gonna play 6 rounds, so you're gonna triple that, and that is the chorus play. And by now, you've pretty much played everything you need to play, and you're gonna jump back to the second chorus and the second verse, second chorus. You're gonna play in the same way over and out there. So 2 times, first verse, first chorus, second verse, second chorus. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. You're gonna have the same chords as chorus, but you're gonna play it a little bit differently. You're gonna play it this. That will be 1 round. So F sharp, 2 downs, and then quickly go to E, 2 downs, and the pause. Then you're gonna play the same for D and A. 2 times on D and 2 times on A. with a pulse. That is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. So 1 round, 2nd round, and then you're gonna play D, E, 8 times like this on the E, and that ends the bridge part. That's the bridge, and then you're gonna jump back into the final chords. You're gonna play that in the same way as the previous choruses. The only thing is you're gonna play it instead of 6 times, you're gonna play it for 8 rounds. And that's it, my friends. Passengers, Alex Warren, great song. Give it a shot. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.